think for a lot of years, your mom and I, we bounced off each other because we had so much of the same junk.
Yeah, Morning. We got crazy hair this morning, don't we? Morning. It's Saturday. Getting ready to get ready for another gig. Say good morning.
Yeah.
Say good morning. Say good morning. I think she's camera shy. Say good morning. It's Saturday. Oh, got a little while before I gotta leave for another gig. Leah and the baby are going to... Where are y'all going? Columbus. South Carolina. While I go to a gig in Hot Springs, North Carolina. Okay, so if this was the geological area, right? The sponge, or the cowboy, would be where we're at, which is Canton, North Carolina. Or string cleaner would be Hot Springs, which is where I'm going. This awesome country western hits 45 would be where Leah's going, who will be the Gorilla Glue in Asheville. Kiss time. Come on, kiss. Well, I thought I was going to be on time. So I'm sitting in the car waiting for the drummer, possibly the entire band. It is 11:52. We play at 1. It takes 53 minutes. I hate being late with a passion, like with a cussing passion. Like, I want to say... On to Hot Spring. We made it. And look who I found. Buffalo Dan.
They had a sign here that said no smoking. And I said to myself, I thought this was a Christian stand.
So they just increased us to like shoot us all.
We're in the backstage tent,
So I'm gonna make some adjustments.
waiting to go on. We're about
We only planned for 30 minutes.
30 minutes late, but
So I
Whitney wants to start with Long Black Belt.
Goose Festival. And it's really hot here, but Josh is gonna jump in the river afterwards.
That thing's brown and scary. So we just finished up with the Wild Goose Festival, trying really hard to stay positive. Sometimes it's hard to stay positive, but gotta do it anyway. Alright, so I am headed to Columbus, South Carolina. That's where Leah and Izzy are, and I can't wait to see them. They're like 2 hours away, and I miss them like crazy, so I'm gonna go see them and eat barbecue. Woo! Been on the road about 15 minutes. I'm not that far from where I'm going, but I had to turn around because I caught a glimpse of something that looked like it was going to be really cool, so I'm going to go back and check it out. Yeah. Where you going? Where's my hug? Yeah, I'll go on, go play. No, there's not.
Columbus.
We're in Columbus. It's North Carolina. It's really confusing. Sam thought I was going to Ohio. Now we're going through the pond. So it's like 11:30 and we just got home. I'm going to edit my video. Got my cigar, my adult beverage. Izzy's asleep. This is the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed.